This is Regatta Cafe, one of the coziest, cutest, and most pictured cafes in the whole world. Click, 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 sound effect of photo science there. And today, we're gonna take you there. We're gonna show you what the prices are like, the atmosphere, and plain old seeing if it's worth the hype. Last time you seen us, we flew from Paris to Helsinki after an amazing few days in Disneyland Paris to experience the crazy amounts of snow for the very first time in the nation's capital. We continue right there by stomping through snowy Helsinki parks towards the Regatta Cafe, stopping off at the amazing Helsinki Cathedral, giving you some useful tips on the sauna culture here so that you don't make the same mistakes that we did.
We just got an Uber for nothing.
And, of course, we'll show you a hidden gem that no tourists ever know about. So, with all that being said, let's grab 2 hot, cozy drinks to warm us up.
Okay, so our original plan when we were coming here was
Went to the shitter? No,
the famous thing about this place is that you come, you're on the coast here. This is usually a lake, but
Yeah.
obviously it's minus 13, so it's now all frozen over.
It's actually minus 17 now.
Great.
Coffee, 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 coffee. Cheers!
The thing it's famous for is that it has these fireplaces outside, and then you can come out and you can buy not hot dogs.
Buy
You can buy
sausage.
sausage inside. You can buy marshmallows. What else is there?
You can also buy vegetarian sausages, which
Yeah.
is why I was so excited, because
Yeah.
usually in places like Germany, when you get like when we were in, oh, that mic is falling. Is that alright?
I'll fix it. Go on. You keep going.
No, I'll just wait.
Sorry about that.
Usually when we were in Germany and we bought like a hot dog or a frankfurter or whatever, they're these huge, like thick, really meaty sausages, and I'm really finicky with meat, so the fact that there was a vegetarian sausage, I was so excited. But it's too windy for them to light the fire. They did try, and it's just too...
You can see they tried it, but yeah, the wind is too strong on the coast.
We didn't think it was windy until we sat down here, and I was like, makes sense.
We might try and come back. I think it closes at 8.
Yeah.
I think it's 9 to 8, so I think we might come back later. We just wanted to come here during the day so that we could see everything properly.
But the coffee was good, and they also had vegan hot chocolate,
Yeah,
which
which
Fiona
is
was
pretty cool.
delighted with.
Yeah, that's it. We were disappointed because it was the main reason we came. And I really wanted
But
to
look
try
how pretty it is. Yeah, the sticks are really cool. Like you sit here with that,
this,
like
and
that's
you put it over the fire, and then you have it.
that's
But,
awesome.
hopefully tonight, but we'll see. We're just going to chance it. We're going to come like maybe an hour or two before it closes and just give it a shot.
We've got the time.
But yeah, we have.
What even? I don't even know what time it is.
It's about 2 p.m. I think we have just over an hour of daylight, and the next thing we want to do is head to their famous sauna, is what they call it,
Sauna.
which is
Gonna be for freezing.
Yeah, well, no, it's going to be boiling.
Yeah.
But the reason we're going is because you go from the sauna into the water, into the sea, pretty much.
We call it sauna, by the way.
Sauna, but they say sauna.
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 Sauna. Okay.
But yeah, that's our plan for the next thing.
It's actually also quite reasonable, price-wise, because
Oh yeah, we
we've
expected
noticed.
Finland to be crazy.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I was
Did you
gonna
not
say
expect Finland to be
I was going to say
crazy?
something different. I was going to say Finland itself is actually quite expensive so far, but here, I mean, the Regatta Cafe
sorry, alright.
is quite reasonable. This was like $2.90. That was like $2.70. I don't even know how much the donut was. That probably was expensive, but I was just... I'm
If
like
you
a
were to-
magpie when it comes to something sweet. I'm like, gimme, gimme, gimme,
If
gimme.
you were to get this in a touristy place in Dublin, you're talking €6.
Well, sure, we were only in Disneyland and I paid €5. I'm not even... Hey, ice just went in my coffee. I paid €5 for a thing this size, came from a machine, and it tastes like crap. And this was delicious. And it was their own branded coffee.
Is that just the snow being pushed by the wind? Too cold then?
It's ice. It's iced coffee. Oh my god, it actually tastes like iced coffee now. So it's all around winner. If this was on, so if you get a clear day and you're in Helsinki,
Yeah, come
make
straight
sure
here.
you come here.
This place would be great.
It'd be freaking awesome.
But yeah.
But anyways, before we lose daylight, we are going to go to our next stop and freeze our
sauna.
patatas off.
Which is, in case you didn't know, we're staying right in the heart of Helsinki, is where our hotel is. This is slightly north, that's why we took the tram up, and the
tram also was actually a really cool
and
thing
it's
as
really,
well.
it's really fast, really consistent.
Cheap as well.
Cheap.
And another thing, yeah, cheap.
So yeah, so we're going.
Maybe,
the
maybe
complete
Finland
opposite.
is cheap actually.
Let's
well,
see
I haven't
what
got
that
to.
plans
Yeah.
are. We'll see. Anyway, we're going now. We're up north, Helsinki town, and we're going all the way down south. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Oh no, I wasn't recording.
What, was it not?
No, it was a joke.
Oh my god. I think you push it. Oh no, Fiona, I bet you have to take the stick out.
the stick holds in place.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Come on, jump on.
No. No.
Literally half a lap.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No, we'll do it later.
Literally from there to there.
No, it says for kids. No. My coffee. Where put it?
Put the camera like this.
Where did I put the coffee?
In your other hand.
It's gonna spill.
I won't go that fast, I promise.
Fucking stupid. It's gonna go ice. Knew it. No. Ugh. That was fun. That was like bending. It was like
I see why it's only for kids.
Also, my hot coffee. Ice.
Iced coffee.
I've discovered you just need to keep moving. He's here in 2 minutes. I'm so chilly. We're starting to feel the effects of what it's like when the sun's gonna go down. When the sun
gotten
goes down.
it's gotten a lot colder.
But it's gotten so much colder, and we've had to wait. No, that's not us. We had to order an Uber, and I cannot feel my right hand. Like, I cannot feel it. It's so cold.
We only have, as you said, we don't have much time left if we want to get into the sea when it's daylight. And
oh god, we have to get in the sea.
yeah, it's a 10-minute drive or a 45-minute with the train. So we're just like, it's worth. How much was it?
11 quid.
€11. It's worth it.
But it's definitely chillier than earlier, and I'll be for sure wearing more layers later.
Oh, it's toasty now. Toasty -6.
Helsinki is pretty small, so it was only a 10 to 15 minute drive to the other side of the city.
We've arrived.
We've arrived, and I'm nervous.
We are terrified. Do you want to show? We just looked at the Polaroid.
Wait, look, the sun is there. And it's 2:30. What? So we took a Polaroid in the Regatta Cafe, and it turned up like this. And I was like, why is there a big yellow fat stain on it? And I was like, it's from fiance.
Yeah, of
Don't
course.
touch yellow
Blames
snow.
me first.
Looked it up, because it's too hot. If you take a Polaroid and it's too hot, like...
So the rest of the clip sounds like this.
I'll shoot.
Sorry about that. We've been having trouble with our mics all day, and pretty much what we were trying to say was apparently in super cold weather, Polaroids can develop a green tint on it, and in very hot weather, they develop a red tint. Fun fact for the day. Something not so fun though was what we were met with when we got into the spa.
We just got an Uber for nothing.
It's fully booked. But we made a reservation for 8 p.m.
It's gonna be tight with our train, but it'll be fine.
Yep, so moral of the story is to book online. We were actually super lucky to even get a slot that day because it was actually the very last slot of the day. So book online. Since we had a few hours to kill, we jumped back on the metro and into the city centre to enjoy the last bit of daylight. We checked out the beautiful Helsinki Cathedral, all covered in snow, and the Helsinki University Library, which is a hidden gem if you're looking for a unique picture in the city. And as the sun went down and it got colder and colder, Fionn started getting super chilly. Brr. He caved.
I got a scarf. It's getting a lot colder. We got one of those, what do you call them?
What are they called? God only knows.
Do you know the ones that like you can, it's
I have one,
it's
I'm
a
going to be using
scarf, but it all, people sometimes also put them on their heads.
Mm.
I'll put a photo, I don't know what they're called, but we got two and I forgot to pack it, didn't I?
Yeah.
So
Silly sausage over there.
I have this instead, mostly because when we go up to Lapland, the wind, obviously when you're on like the husky sleds and all that, it's going to be really strong. So this is to hope I don't get frostbite.
Oh god, you wouldn't get along getting the ankles frostbite off you.
Yeah.
Don't get frostbite.
Once the sun set fully, the temperature plummeted, and we were starting to get a little peckish. Luckily, right around the corner was the Helsinki food market, so we decided to pop in for some traditional Finnish food. But we're gonna save all of that, including our polar plunge at the spa we visited earlier, for the next Helsinki video. The next Helsinki vlog will unfortunately be our last before we jump on an overnight train to head north to Lapland to explore everything the Finnish countryside has to offer, from its dog sledding to ice floating and everything in between. If you missed our last Helsinki vlog, make sure to check out the link in the comments below, or if you want to see even more from us, check out our Watch from the Beginning playlist on our homepage. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you very soon in the next one. Bye!